Have some sparklers. Oh, Mum, I don't have much left now. I can eat. Yay, fire. It's time to light off the first rocket.
Mum, you keep it going. What?
Move, Mum. You already ruined my video.
Hey.
Okay, guys, I will get this action. I will. So there it is. Whoa, that was good. Another firework. See what colour it is.
I know what colour it's going to be.
Yay! Okay, so those were rockets. Move, Michael, please. Those were rockets. Now this is a spray one, I think. Oh no, this one. Pretty. Fire. So these are fountains, and I think I can remember fountains. I think they're really nice. Okay, so fountains is next. Yay!
So another fountain one.
Whose job's it going to be in the one? Tallying them all up.
Michael. Thumbs up.
The best firework. No.
We don't actually know what these are, so yeah, that's great. That fire.
Oh.
I love the words. Whatever it is. Just gonna keep the fire going. Tea's getting put on now. Okay, so some trees, that's good. Gonna come in here. How you feeling, Claire?
I'm feeling fine. How are
Feeling
you
fine.
Olivia?
Feeling great. How do you like cooking?
I'm loving it.
Yeah, that's good. Bye. Oh my god, I can see ya. Hi. Another fireworks getting set off. Oh my gosh. Don't know, liking it. Whoa, that's a bit.
Stand down. Why do you like it? Keep the fire going. It nearly got me in your pencil. One, two, three. I'm the superhero. Okay. Get coming up.
After this?
So I'm going to take a Snapchat.
You got me, hasn't you?
Whoa. Hey.
It was a good night, wasn't it?
Uh-huh. What did I do? Okay guys, so you saw about every one of, have they saw every one of the fireworks? Yeah, I think so. This video is not over and neither is Bonfire Night. I'll just invite you guys back down once tea is ready. We'll still be setting off fireworks, hopefully. You have saw every single one. That one, that last one was really scary. I'm sorry if you didn't get any footage of that, but I really hope you did. It's hard taking Snapchat and everything. most of the time to like video from my window because I'm normally scared when I was little, but no I'm not. Guys, I'm sorry he's missed dinner. Oh my god, it's school tomorrow. The fire's stopped. You got me. Wow. That's
Michael, come over here.
Michael! Hi. Whoa. Alright, so we're going to have a look from my bedroom window. Like, we're getting the best views from here. I wish I shot it from here all the time. Another one's going to sit off. It's going to be like amazing, guys. I've did like more vlogs on what I did on my last channel. Like, that's what I'm really getting into, vlogs. What's it doing? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! That is so good.
Same as me.
I think we're going to end this video with a rocket. The waving. I think we're going to end this video with a cool rocket.
17.
Oh, where was it? Okay, we're not ending that video on that. Look, there's one, there's one. That's pretty good. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Oh my god. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe and comment down below. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.
Okay, now